We do not eat enough pasta for breakfast, but I want to change that.
I had some leftover sausage meat and I was wondering what carb to throw with it. Then I thought it could actually work with pasta. Not as a gimmick or some rage bait breakfast pasta with beans chucked in, but as a dish that actually tastes good. Now, I don't actually know any breakfast pasta recipes. Now, there might be some out there, but I've never tried them. So I'm going to base it off of a tomato-based meat dish. But like I mentioned, it'd be very easy for me to create a rage bait video of just whacking some beans in with some pasta and some sausage. So I'm trying not to do that and actually creating something that's rather tasty. So I fried up the sausage meat with some red onions and sun-dried tomatoes, kept the seasoning simple, just a touch of garlic and black pepper, and then I'm going to deglaze the pan in veg stock with an added splash of passata. And of course, no breakfast is complete without a fried egg. Crisp bottom, runny yolk all over the top. Now, I wanted to add a cheese element to this, and the urge to use a mozzarella or a parmesan was strong, but I decided to go for a cheddar cheese because, again, it plays more into that breakfast content. It was finally time to plate up, and this dish was looking really promising. More importantly, I'm really happy with how this fried egg turned out. Now, maybe it's not the perfect breakfast dish, but it's a seriously tasty one. Loads of depth from the sausage and tomatoes, and the egg ties it all together.
I'm not sure it's for breakfast, but it's damn tasty.